guys, we are here today to show you how to edit your website. So the very first thing you're going to want to do is you are going to want to change your studio name to whatever you would like it. If you want to change the font, say you don't like it, you can go into here and I can pick whatever one I want, and then notice at the bottom it says change all. This will change it with the entire website. So it makes it a lot faster if you want to do that, to change to whatever font you like. The next thing that you can do is adding in your own pictures. So I'm actually just going to grab one from Elements, and all I do is I drag and I drop it over the box. Now notice how that picture started as color and now it's black and white. I have filters in these. If you do not want the filter, click on it, see how it's highlighted here, and then you're going to press edit, and notice there is a filter on. You will do see all, and you'll just click none if you would like to change it back to the original. Here at the top we have our header. Now I left this blank for everyone so that you can put in whatever pages that you personally need. But basically what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to highlight the whole word, and then you just click on link. You can either paste the link right here, or if you're using Canva as your host, you can scroll down and you can just click on one of the pages that we already have here. So this is my home, so I'm going to click home, and then I'm going to click done. And automatically, when you publish it, this will be my home button. You will need to do it to every single one though. It does not stay the same. So just be aware of that. These are also meant to be links. So click on them, highlight it, link, and then once again, I can just go to whatever page I want, or if it's an outside page, you can just copy and paste it right into there. I know a lot of studios for their parent section, they have a parent portal where they use outside things to schedule and pay for classes. So you can go ahead and just link that right into there. Moving down, obviously you're going to want to replace this about your studio. You have different styles of dancing. You can put your own pictures in. You can always use stock images from Canva. Competitive and non-competitive program. Say you don't have a competitive or non-competitive program and you just don't want this page. All you're going to do is highlight the entire page and then click the section button. Or if you want more than one, you can use the section. We'll just retry now. Okay, we're going to make this a stack. So again, we want to link these at the top, putting in your own pictures, your own bios. The one thing that I found is more funny is when you start to grab some of the bios. So when you're doing this, sometimes you can just remove that, and now I can draw and I can type in whatever I would like. But you might need to then just yep, and then switching out the picture. Anytime this is there, it means that you can put whatever picture in, and when you drop it, you just scroll your mouse right over the picture, and then it will drop it into it. So you can make as many sections as you want. What is it? Repeated the section multiple times. If I have too many, then again, I go to the section, more, and at least here is my gallery, because I'm a teacher as well, and we love having pictures shown up right there. So again, I'm going to I'm going to put in pictures I've also included tickets. So again, I would just highlight the whole thing, or you can just do tickets, and then you're going to click link, and then you can actually just paste whatever link you need to for the tickets. Classes offered are right here. Audition form, again, I have linked these, so go ahead and press link, and then put, you can even do the Google form on there, is what I have a lot of. Extra competition teams, you can edit this. This is my tuition prices for my native dance studio that people This is the one that actually shows up normal. We have a lot of different features on this. So when we preview, I have animation on it. Do you see how that moves? So if you don't publish it like that, you won't get the animation and the links won't work unless you publish it that way. Because one thing I have done is I have done download as a PNG or a JPEG just to get it look more of a picture if you don't download any of the links or animations. So you do that. If you choose to use Canva to post your website, this is what it looks like. This is my actual dance page that I have with my students. The only issue that I have with it is just that if you have a lot of pages, this up here can get a little bit messy. I don't have a lot of pages, and so I feel like it looks a little bit better, but if I'm adding even double the amount of pages, I personally think it can get messy. The next solution would be to put it on WordPress and use that embed like we had talked about a minute ago. I'm going to show you guys how to embed your website into a WordPress plugin. So the very first thing we're going to do is we are going to share and we are going to embed. If you have already created one, just click create. And then use this very top one HTML embed code in your WordPress copy. And then you're going to go over to your website. You can do this either way. You can do some dashboard or just the home page and click edit page. And here, this blog is actually custom HTML. We just add custom HTML and then we just copy our HTML in it. Go ahead and click save. And then I can go ahead and view the page. Okay, so this is our homepage on our WordPress site. This is my blog that I use for my Etsy. The one thing I will tell you is notice how there is only one page, and I have several pages. So if you choose to do this, to get to the next page, you have to scroll at the bottom, which is not exactly ideal for people looking through your website. So this is what I am going to suggest. We're going to go back into our website. You are going to copy this, however many pages you have. So let's see, I've got 2, 3, 4, 5. So I've got 5 entire pages. So all I'm going to do is I'm going to hit click file, make a copy. I'm going to make 5 separate copies. Actually 4 because I already have the one. And I am going to make each one its own page. So if I have this original one, I don't need my home page. This is going to be my second page. I'm literally just going to go through this particular copy, and I am just going to delete the top page. So it is only left my second page. So this is my original second page, and then I'm going to do the same thing for the other remaining pages. I'm just going to go ahead and delete them, delete, and delete. So it's just this one page. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to press share. I'm going to go ahead and embed here. Copy. And I'm going to add this to a different WordPress page. So we're going to do that. I am going to go into my dashboard. I'm going to go into pages, all pages. Now I'm looking at my pages. This particular page is add a page. The nice thing about embedding the HTML is that if you have a link, it takes over your link. So for example, notice that I can click on this, and I added the link directly into my Etsy page, so people can go and they can directly purchase that thing. So I would just do that for every page, and then just add it as a page in WordPress.